Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you about our new functionality which is image preview in document while creating and also after showing it on document. So first of all you need to turn on the setting for the same. From where? So go to browse module, then click on settings module. Once you will click on settings module, you need to go to documents. Now come to document and document fields. Go to the options and please go below. Here you will be able to see image preview option. So you need to turn it on. After that, what you need to do, you need to create a custom field with the URL segment. So how you can do so? So please check. What I have did, I have created a custom field of URL at the image segment. You can add the same from your right hand side, add field, and you need to select the data type URL. Fine. After adding it, I entered a URL on my item and then I came to the invoice and fetched it. So selected sales invoice and please check here I fetched the image from item. That means the image which is added in my inventory in my URL field can now directly come to my document and will be displayed. Always remember the image should be of JPG type and PNG type and it should be a valid image. Now what I will do, I will go back, click on sales and purchase. Now I will create one invoice. Right hand side, click on create document, click on invoice. I will quickly select the buyer and here I will quickly go ahead and just type the details, payment date. Now go below and I selected needle ball of quantity 10. Right hand side, please check here. Once you will hover on this, it will provide you the image which is added in my inventory and it is being directly fetched here. Now go below, I will remove the email and click on save and send. Once I click on yes, please check. You can see on document itself this particular image is coming. So this is how you can use this functionality. You can turn it on for other documents as well from your settings option. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.